how to become fit. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, these tips will help you get on track. The first step to becoming fit is setting clear goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Is it losing weight, gaining muscle, or improving overall health? Setting specific, measurable, and realistic goals will help keep you motivated and focused. Consistency is key. Find a workout routine that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's going to the gym, doing home workouts, or trying a new sport, make sure to schedule regular exercise sessions into your week. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity, aerobic activity, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. Exercise alone won't get you fit. Nutrition plays a vital role. Fuel your body with balanced meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes to your eating habits. Don't forget to hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially during and after your workouts. Water helps maintain bodily functions, aids in digestion, and keeps you energized. Rest and recovery are often overlooked, but are crucial for your fitness journey. Allow your body to heal and rebuild by getting enough sleep, typically around 7-9 hours per night. Incorporate rest days into your workout routine to prevent burnout and reduce the risk of injury. And there you have it. Following these tips will help you on your path to becoming